This is Brooksville, a small town just north of Tampa and right next door to the famous Wiki Wachi mermaids. And this is our new mural located near the center of town. The folks who commissioned this piece wanted something related to the local agriculture. Many of the farms I've come across in the area are full of grazing black cows and chickens, so I incorporated those in my initial design. Once the design was finalized, we headed up to the country depot where the mural would find its new home. After stopping at several paint stores to grab the colors we needed, we got started prepping the area to avoid any happy little mistakes on the ground or neighboring buildings. To get started, we put down a background layer of blue for the sky and green for the grass. Then, my wife created the doodles for the grid using white spray paint. From there, I superimposed the design over the grid from the wall using the iPad. Next, I used pastel chalk to sketch out the picture and got started working on the farm. Before moving to Florida and becoming a full-time artist, I owned a Farm Bureau insurance agency in Michigan. A good portion of my business was farms, so this brought back some great memories. Farmers are some of the most honest and hardworking people I've ever met, and their animals were always full of character and personality. It was important to capture that here in our mural. The goat was actually a special request added in after the initial design was submitted. The owners of the Country Depot love goats in their mischievous ways, so having this guy photobomb the picture was a really cool addition. Speaking of the Country Depot, working with them was most excellent. If you are ever in the Brooksville area, make sure to stop by and check out their store. Alright, we're all done. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like unique art projects, check out this next video.